Okay, I'm just going to go through some of these questions, and not all of them, because some of them should be nice and easy, but just a couple of them a little bit hard. Right, remember when you open it, you do get your formula page. Yeah, this is handy, because people forget your standard distribution, yeah, and people forget your Spearman ranks, yeah. But also, remember, for your standard deviation and your mean, yeah, your calculator should be able to do it, so please look up how to use your calculator to get your standard deviation, to get your means. Right, so this one here, question 9. There are 64 tsunamis, yeah, between the years 2000 and 2009. The table gives information about the maximum wave height in meters of these tsunamis. And I always like these questions because they're actually real questions. Anyway, work out the class interval that contains the median of these data. Okay, so the median is the middle score. Yeah, and it's going to be one of these. Yeah, it might ask you to extrapolate the actual value. This one here is nice, it doesn't. So first thing, we need to work out how many people we are. So I need to add up my frequency column, which is 26 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, which is 64. Now you've got to think, do I do 64 divided by 2, or do I add 1 and divide it by 2? Now, because of the type of data is continuous, we don't add 1. And it essentially comes down to the fact that it's an estimate. So I'm just going to divide that by 2. Which actually gives me my 30-second score. So I'm looking for the one that has my 30-second. So all the ones below 0.2 is 26. 26 plus 8 is 34. Well, that's handy, I've already gone past 32. So it must be in this one here. So my answer is 0.2, H 0.5. Right, calculate an estimate for the mean wave height of the tsunamis. Give your answer to one decimal place. So we can use these columns, and I am going to use these columns and show you working out, because in a lot of these you will not get any marks if you don't show your working out. So if you want to use your calculator, type in all the scores to check, that's fine, but you won't get any marks if you don't show your working out. So this one here, I'm actually going to put my midpoint, and this one here, I'm actually going to times my midpoint by my frequency. So let's just do my midpoint right away. So this is 0.1, then it's 0.35, 0.75, 0.2. This one here is 4. That one there is 7.5. This one here is 20. That one there is 45. Okay. And then so it's your midpoint times frequency. So I've got to times all these together. So 26 times 0.1 is 2.6. 0.35 times 8 is 2.8. 0.75 times 6 is 4.5. There's 12. There's 20. 60. 60 again. And then 90. Okay. Now I have to add all of these up, because this is the same as adding up your scores, okay, which I worked out to be 251.9. I then have to divide it by the amount of scores there are. And what some people do, they just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and they divide by 8. Okay. If you choose to divide by 8, you're going to get some stupid number, I would assume. You should get 31.4, yeah, which means my mean would be there. So that's a big alarm bell, but don't do that because it's wrong. We know that there's 64 because we worked out in the previous question. Otherwise, you just add up your frequency again. Yep. So when I do 251.9 divided by 64, I get 3.9359375. It says somewhere to one decimal place. So this is one here. So my answer is 3.9.